Don't start giving directives. Don't start giving directives. I'm good. Thank you. Have a nice night. What's up, people? Out here in Baton Rouge, got one. I seen the chase coming down the street. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cops chasing down this car right here. Got another cameraman over here. Got 13 showing up right over here. Got a 12 gauge shotgun or some kind of gauge shotgun. Got a camera crew. I wonder what the camera crew is doing here. Got a drone up in the air. I guess they're chasing them with drones now. They want to put the light in my eyes over here. Couple more units showing up now. Yeah, they were chasing them like crazy out here. It's crazy they got that drone. I don't know if they're part of the police department. But, man, yeah, it's hovering right above me out here. Don't start giving directives. Don't start giving directives. I'm good. Thank you. Have a nice night. Now she's pointing at me. What I do know is 55 degrees, it's cold, I'm starting to shake and shiver a little bit. Oh, it's an AK-47. Oh, okay. They got a shotgun and an AK-47. Two weapons. Yeah, they were chasing him for, I know, at least a mile. Because I turned around and still caught up to them. They're all starting to disperse now. The drone's gone. They got him in the back of this car right over here. Is that drone y'all's or what?
I think it's Ads Police.
Okay. Yeah, I've never seen a drone. I've been many traffic stops. I've never seen a drone show up. So I was like,
myself, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, that's the first for me too, bro. Like I looked up, I was like, damn, I put the camera up.
Lines, I was like, oh.
Yeah. Well, they got to have a camera that's got to let them know that they're close to them power lines, because if not,
they do.
Yeah, because I know that thing ain't cheap, dude. That thing's like $2 grand. So
the dude that's operating it, he's sending me pictures.
Okay.
He's sending me.
Oh, that's. That's crazy. So they do have a drone working for the police department.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's operated by them then too, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a police officer.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
a recruiter.
Okay. So we going cops live or what?
Patrol life.
Okay, patrol live. Okay. I wasn't sure if they were doing it out here. I heard rumors once before that they were going to start to do it, but I wasn't sure if they're going to do it.
Yeah, no, we're doing it. We've been out here for like 3 months, 3.5 months.
3.5 months. Okay. You enjoying it so far out here or what?
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun. Yeah.
Every Friday and Saturday we're live.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, that was the first time I seen one too. I was like, holy crap. So,
Right on.
yeah. Technology is only getting better and better as the days go on.
Look at
So
that Ukraine stuff, man. They're using those things, you know, $1,000 drones.
bombing
like
missions,
$1
yeah.
million tank or something, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Well, they're putting bombs on those and just land them in because they're so cheap compared to
yeah.
even a
Compared
missile.
to like a missile, right.
Yeah,
Basically
missiles are
making them that.
expensive. So
That's like the future of warfare. They just send like 1,000 of them.
yeah. Well, I think it's funny, because Venezuela, they're talking about training all these ground troops. I'm like, the ground troops don't do nothing anymore. It's just a button push now. So
Now it's all robotic AI shit, you know? It's like,
oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's getting wild out there.
Yeah. And that's why I said, people always say, oh, the wars. I was like, we have no control over what happens to us. We're at the mercy of a button.
Dude,
yeah, we're at a, so, and then,
Bottom of the food chain.
we're at the bottom of the food chain. So, but like I said, I know I have no control of my life. I live my life and,
all you can do,
live
man.
day to day. So that's all I can do. Daniel, by the way.
Hey, Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you,
talking,
brother.
sir.
You
Is
as
this
well.
your place?
No, Truth Be Told Audits. I run a YouTube channel.
awesome.
So I
What's
do,
it called?
I do.
Truth Be Told?
Truth Be Told Audits, yeah.
Okay, good.
So I do cop watching and First Amendment audits and stuff like that. So.
I appreciate First Amendment auditors because they kind of, they make sure people understand the.
Oh yeah, well I've caught cops with their hand in a cookie jar, searching people illegally, stopping them illegally, especially Denham Springs. I've caught them several times, and I'm not against cops. I just want them to do their jobs right.
Absolutely.
And that one came up and started telling me, "Oh, stay back." I was I was more than 25 feet back, and she started, "Oh no," I was like, "Don't give directives. I don't even want to hear it. I'm good right here. Thank you. Have a nice night." When I told her.
What's your channel again?
Truth Be Told Audits.
On YouTube.
Yeah, so it's right here on the hat. So it's Truth Be Told Audits.
Oh, good guess. Okay, cool. So it's 2021?
Yeah.
Right on.
So I've been doing it. I got the here piggy on the back.
Oh, yeah, I see.
So yeah, Truth Be Told audits.
brother.
Yeah. Well, like I said, most of them know me here. That's why they seen me and they looked at me and they're okay. You're because they know I'm not here to interrupt.
That's
and,
all it is.
all it is.
Yeah,
So
no, I get it.
So what's up, Corporal?
How you doing, sir?
Good about yourself.
Was it? Is it Brett? No.
Daniel.
Daniel, my bad.
Yeah, Daniel. No, it's cool. Paul.
Good talking,
Paul.
brother.
You as well. Hey man, y'all be safe out there tonight. All right. All right. So they got drones working for them out here now too. So yeah, they're gonna get a tow truck. Like I said, they got the guy in the back of the car over here. The other cops dispersed, so I'm not gonna stick around for a tow truck. It's too cold. So, but there were altogether, I'd say about 16 units on this one car. So just a heads up, they do have drones working for the Baton Rouge Police Department now. So they're going to finish searching the car, but they found a shotgun and an AR-15. So, all right, people, on to the next.